Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to edit or how to edit or how you can delete your LinkedIn post. So in this video, I will show you how you can find your all posts on LinkedIn, or how you can edit and how you can edit a particular post which you want, or you can delete it also. So I hope I will show you on this video in my desktop. But if you're using laptop or iPhone or Android, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's go ahead. So this is my LinkedIn profile, you can see. So in order to delete your post, first we need to find your all posts. Okay, so for find your post, you have posted on LinkedIn, you have to find your all posts. So click on this profile photos arrow and just click on post and activities. In this section you will have your all activities like posts, comments and documents. So here you can see this article option, you can see your all article here, you can see all posts here, and you can see all documents here which I have uploaded, like photos, anything. So just go into post and just find post which you want to delete or edit. So I have only 3 posts, so just I edit this post only. So just click on this 3 dot and you can edit post from here. Just edit and you can write anything and save it, and then it will be saved. And now into delete, just click on delete and just confirm the delete, then it will be permanent delete. It can't be reoccur once you delete it. Okay, so that is how you can find your all posts of your LinkedIn profile. In your LinkedIn profile you can delete your post, you can edit your post. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.